Okay guys, today we're going to learn how to set tabs in a Word document. So go to Edmodo and you'll find the Set Tabs in a Word Document assignment, and you will find this activity right here. You'll open it up and it's going to look like this. Okay, so we're going to open up a new blank document in Word, and then we're just going to toggle back and forth. We're going to turn on the ruler and the show hide button. Don't turn on the show hide button. The ruler, I've already got my ruler up, but if you go to view, and here's where you can click on the ruler and find the ruler. Okay. Then we're going to set spacing after to 0 and line spacing to single. So we go here, we set spacing after to 0 and line spacing to single. We've done that before. Alright, we are going to set the page margins to 1 inch on all sides. Now that should be default, but if we go to page layout and margins, as long as we have 1 inch on all sides selected, we're in good shape there. Okay, now we are going to type the text team roster and enter 2 times. We basically want it to look like this. Okay. Okay, so we're going to type San Francisco Giants and 2010 World Series champions and team rosters at the top of the page. So we're going to make sure that we center that and we bold it, and we're just going to type in San Francisco. That's terrible with the spelling. Giants. San Francisco Giants. And we're going to type in 2010 World Series champions. 2010 World Series champions. And then we're going to do team roster. Okay? And then we're going to enter twice. We're going to send that back over to the left. Okay? Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to set our tabs. Okay, because we're going to put in some information, but we need to put it in an orderly way. So we're going to set the first tab to 1.25. Here's how you do the tabs. It's in the paragraph section, and you click on tabs. Okay, and our first left aligned tab is going to be at 1.25, and we're going to set it. Okay, then we're going to do 2.25 inches. So 2.25 set. Now, notice this. So can you see how I've got 1.25 inches, 2.25 inches? This is highlighted up here. I could just delete that out, or I could just type in my next position. Okay? So I've got 1.25, 2.25. My next one is 3.25. Okay? So in my tab stop, I'm going to do 3.25, and then I'm just going to go down here and click on set, and that's going to set my third one. Okay, and then I've got 4.25 and then 5 inches. So I'm going to do 4.25 set, and then just 5 inches and set. So now you can see I've got all of my tabs set here, and I'm going to click on OK. Now, watch what happens to my ruler when I click on OK. See, there's my first tab, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay? So, now all I got to do is copy my my list. Okay? So, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna type in, I'm gonna tab and type number, tab and type first name, tab and type last name, tab and position, tab and age. Okay, so tab, number, tab, first name, tab, last name, tab, position, and then tab age. Position and tab age. Now, if you want to go through here and underline this, because it's supposed to be underlined, you can go ahead and do that. Or you can do it last. however you want. Okay, now we're going to enter. Now we have to tab, always tab to get to the, whoa, we don't want it to be underlined anymore. We're going to tab over there. All right, so we have number 12, tab. And then we have Nage, who knows. And then Shireholtz is his last name, tab. And then Shireholtz. And his position is right fielder, RF. And his age is 26. Then we're going to hit enter. And then we're going to tab again. Then our next number is 41. See how this is working out? You got your tab set, it becomes pretty easy. Jeremy. And then Affelt. A-F-F-E-L-D-T. And I guess he's a right-handed pitcher. RP. And he is 31. Whoop, 31. Enter. And then tab. I'm just going to do the first three. Number 46. Tab. And this is Santiago Casilla. So, Santiago Casilla. And he is another right-handed pitcher. And he is 30. So we just go through the list here. This is what we're doing. So we're entering the roster. And let's see. Then at the end, we are going to, we're going to select the text in the columns and sort in ascending order A to Z by the last name. Okay? So here's how you do that. So you're going to highlight the whole thing starting with this, so your whole deal, okay, and you're going to sort, and here's your sort button, okay, this A to Z with the down arrow, so you're going to sort that. Now you want to make sure that you tell it there's a header row, because if you don't tell it there's a header row, it's going to be all confused. It's not going to know what to do. So you want to make sure it's got a header row, and it says to sort it by in ascending order by last name. Okay, so ascending order, it should already be by last name, and click OK. And now you can see that I'm in alphabetical order, and it doesn't mess with my header. With number, first name, last name, position, or age. Okay, and that's all you got to do. So let's see. Carefully proofread, insert a header. Put your name. You know, once you're done with all this, then just go ahead and go to insert and put in we'll just double click up here and put in a header. Put your name and all that, and then save it and turn it in.